Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain the easy steps to transfer files from Ubuntu Linux VirtualBox and the Windows host operating system. Before we actually get into the steps, let us try to understand some of the basics of the file transfer protocol, which is the FTP. File transfer protocol is a protocol which helps us to transfer files between two computers connected in the network. It actually works on TCP connection from using port number 21. So the files can be transferred back and forth between the clients and the server. So as you see in this picture. Okay, so that's all about the FTP at a very high level. Let's get into the steps now. So first we have to install the FTP server using this command sudo apt get install vsftpd, and the next step would be looking at the configuration file. You can leave it as such, it will work as such without any change. The third step is going to be making the configuration in the VirtualBox manager to allow the port which allow the TCP port number 21 to between Windows and the host. Let's see this in the Linux. So I will show my system. I have actually installed the sudo systemctl status vsftpd will show me if the server is running or not. As you see, the FTP server is running fine. So I will show you the configuration file for the vsftpd as well, which is present in etc/etc directory. Let's take a quick look. So we don't need to change anything as such, you can leave it as such, and then we can come to the VirtualBox manager that you have. Go to the system that you are using, then you go to the settings, go to the network settings, go to the adapter 1, which is the NAT adapter, go to advanced, click on the port forwarding, make this rule, add this rule. I have multiple rules here. So the first one is the one that I have added. You can name the rule as FTP. The protocol is TCP, and the host port should be 8021. You can give any other name as well. That's going to be the source port, and then the guest port is the 21. That's the actual port which we are going to reach out to the Ubuntu virtual system, Ubuntu Linux system. Okay, so click OK and then OK, and now our next step is going to be to install the FileZilla FTP client for Windows from this location. You can FileZilla-project.org is a website that you can go, and you can download this FileZilla client for Windows, and then you may have to do some configuration in the FileZilla client. So let's see that. So this is my FileZilla client. We may have to open the site manager configuration, create a new site, and you can name it say test, and you can, in this you have to give your Windows IP address. How to find the Windows IP address? Go to the shell interface, and then you can type in ipconfig. So here it will display the IP address that is being used to connect to the internet. So that's IP address you should use, 192.168.29.253, upon which our guest operating system is running. So that's the IP address that you have to give here. and the port which we had given as a configuration for the configuration is 8021. Keep it as such, and then say use explicit FTP over TLS if available. If not, you can use the regular plain FTP. And logon type should be normal, and you can give your username and password. Come to the advanced or come to the transfer settings, keep it inactive, and then you can connect. Yeah, so now it is connected successfully. At the left hand side, you can see your local directories, that is the window location, and at the right hand side you see the Linux location. So I'm going to transfer. I have created a sample directory in my Linux, so that I will show you the directory as well. This is the sample directory that I created. That's nothing here. Now, as of now, I'm going to transfer a file for demonstration purpose. I've got a picture here, so I'm going to transfer it. Just drag and drop. It just be done. My file is transferred now from Windows to the Ubuntu VirtualBox system, that is the guest operating system. Now let me go into the Linux and then see if it is arrived. Yes, the picture has come successfully. So pretty much that's all about it. You can try. In case if you're finding any issues, feel free to comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.